Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube link where when people click on that link, they can have the option to subscribe to your channel immediately. So they don't have to be exposed to your channel first, they don't have to go to your channel page, they don't have to go to your video to find the subscribe button. So immediately they have this link. When they click on the link, they have the option to subscribe or not to subscribe. So this makes things a lot easier, and you can share it in your social media, whether in Facebook, Instagram, or in Twitter, in order for them to subscribe to your channel. If you're brand new to this channel talks a lot about digital marketing, some tips and tricks in Facebook marketing as well. So if you like this kind of topics, do subscribe to this channel. This channel is still brand new, quite small in size. It'll be helpful if you can subscribe to this channel to help this grow. And without further ado, let me just jump into my computer and let me show you how. So this is my channel, and in this channel, you can see that this is my channel URL. Right? It could be another URL because there's a few URL. You can have your own custom URL, but you can only do it when you have 100 subscribers and above. So please help to support this channel and help me reach 100 subscribers. But for now, I have this old link, which is Anki Boy. So this link was the link I used when I created this account. So if you were to click on this link, you still can come to my channel. So now how to create the link where immediately when people click on it, they have the option to subscribe or not to subscribe, right? So you just have to put this question mark sub underscore confirmation equal 1. You just have to copy this and just put behind your link, right? Just put behind your link. So my suggestion is, instead of putting it into your own username link, because I want to change this, not using this name again, put on this link instead, because this link, it is a unique ID, right? And then after that, you can put it whether in any link shortener like bit.ly or pretty links or any other link shortener, and then you can just have that link to pass it to other people. So once you have the link, let me just show you how you look like when you give the link to someone else, right? So you just paste the link. As you can see, this is my channel link, and this is sub confirmation underscore 1. This is the link that will help people to subscribe to you immediately. When you click on it, then there'll be an option. Are you sure you want to subscribe to Ken Ang WK, which is my channel? So you can click cancel or subscribe. So this link, you can just pass it to anyone, and when they click on it, they have the option to immediately subscribe without even looking into your channel. And this could help you very well in sharing your links out so that people can subscribe to your channel. Yep, that is how you can just have that link and to put it into any other of your social media. So the link, I will put it into the description box below. So just look into it, just copy it and put it in your channel, and there you can click. You can send the link everywhere else, and then they can subscribe to your channel. I hope this information is useful for you. Do feel free to share and comment if you have any comments down below. Hit me up on social media if you have any feedback. I'll be glad to have it, to listen to it, maybe to see any improvement I can make. And do subscribe to my channel. Do help this channel grow so that I can keep producing content like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.